Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder.
Hi, I'm Cymyemidori and today we will check Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro. Please leave in the comment what do you think about it, if you like the design, if you like the features, and don't forget, if you like my content, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's go! And now this is our Xiaomi and Xiaomi 13 Pro boxes. I already opened to be easier to show to you guys. And first, you can see the size of the box are different. I'm not sure if you can see the... Oh no, this is a huge difference. And we have a very big difference in the screen. But here you can see both of them indicate the Leica lens, and for the accessories is a little bit similar, but something is slightly different. For example, we have the pin to open the SIM card tray, then we have the silicone cover, but I'm not sure if it's just my impression, but the Pro version seems slightly blue. You can see here is more like totally transparent. And also for the lens, you can see here is much bigger than the normal version. Later I will show to you guys. I will not open because basically it's the same we have in both USB Type-C cable. And here is the first difference. In the normal version we have 67 watts fast charging. The Pro version 120 watts hypercharger. Here on the sides we can see the big difference. On the Xiaomi 13 it's totally flat, but in Xiaomi 13 Pro it is slightly curved on the front and also curved on the back. I'm not sure if you guys can see the difference, but even the button size are different. Here on the right side we have the power button. It doesn't have the fingerprint scanner, so it means the fingerprint scanner is under the screen. Then we have the volume button. On the top, noise reduction microphone, infrared, and there we have some more holes that I don't know for what exactly they are. I think one of them maybe is for a speaker. We will try it later, but how can I say? I'm not sure if I like it so many holes on the top like this. Please leave in the comment your opinion. On the left side there is nothing. Then on the bottom, dual SIM card tray. Unfortunately we cannot put the SD card. Then in the 13 model we have the microphone near the SIM card tray, but in model Pro is in the opposite side. Then Type-C port and our speaker. Both have stereo sound. For the colors, here on the shop we have the white color with ceramic back. This white color is good because even though you touch it, will not leave so many fingerprints on it. Please leave in the comments if you like it or if you didn't like. I want to know. But as you can see, for example, the shape is similar, but the sensor frame is totally different in size. Here you can also see the difference. And for me it's a very strange because the Pro version, the case here on the camera was much higher than the normal version. But when we put side by side, this one look like, I'm not sure, this look bigger than this one, right? Maybe because they have like this black line more thick than this one. What do you think? If you don't like white, you can also buy the green version, but the green version I need to mention, you can see it will appear much more the fingerprints than the white color. They also have a black version, really beautiful, but this is the most how can I say, troublesome color because it will definitely leave many fingerprints on it. And then they have this blue color with this vegetable leather on the back. This is very soft touch. I really like this one. For the camera sensor, they are totally different, so let me mention about it. Xiaomi 13 has a 50 megapixels main sensor, 12 megapixels ultra-wide and 10 megapixels telephoto. For Xiaomi 13 Pro, it comes with the same sensor as Xiaomi 12S Ultra, 50.3 megapixels for wide, 50 megapixels ultra-wide and 50 megapixels telephoto. Now let's start to talk about the specs. Here on Xiaomi 13 we have a flat screen with 6.36 inch OLED with 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus Dolby Vision 1900 nits peak. The screen is crazy beautiful with thin bezels. Please leave in the comment what do you think about the quality. Whoa, really cool. Now for the 13 Pro, we have a 6.73 inches LTPO OLED screen with 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus Dolby Vision, and also 1900 nits peak. Both of them have IP68 protection, so it means you can put this in the water without any problem. For the selfie camera, both of them 32 megapixel sensor. Now let's talk about specs. Both of them come with the newest MIUI 14 for the system, 128 GB for ROM and then 8 GB for RAM. Just to remind you guys, this is UFS 4.0 LPDDR5X. It also includes the newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 NFC, and for the battery we have some difference. On Xiaomi 13 we have a 4500 mAh battery, and for 13 Pro 4820 mAh battery capacity. Both of them has 50 watts wireless charging, 10 watts reverse charging. For the image quality, both of them is really good. I'm really sure you guys right now is paying more attention on the girls than the image quality, but please let me know your opinion. If you like to see this kind of very cute girls, you can access Chinese TikTok. It's full of them. For the Antutu test, I needed to mention to you guys, it should be more than 1 million points, but because this is a sample and it was working the whole day and it was also charging the whole day, maybe that's why we got these low scores. For the camera options, we have Pro, then Documents, Video. On video we can record in both 8K 24 frames per second, then we have Photo, Portrait, and Night, and more. Oops, more. 50 megapixel short video panorama, vlog, slow motion, time lapse, stick avatar, move effect, AI watermark, long exposure, super moon, dual video, clone and edit. I will take some photos and videos and I'll come back with you guys soon.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no.
Now we are testing the self camera. As you can see, this one that I'm looking now is the Xiaomi 13 and this one is the Xiaomi 13 Pro. Both of them seems really stable. Let me turn around so you can check how it reacts to the lights. Maybe because the 13 has more brightness, I should adjust both screen in the same brightness, but the 13 seems better. I'm not sure why. Maybe just because I didn't adjust the brightness of the screen. Let me test the rear camera. Wait a minute. Now we are testing the rear camera. I'm start to zoom in the 13 Pro. Now I have a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. This has maximum 15. Now let's start to zoom in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, just 6. So let's return to 6. We can have the same idea. Then we can compare the quality. Oh, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the difference between the quality is like huge. We have a lot of noise in Xiaomi 13, but Xiaomi 13 Pro is really smooth. On Xiaomi 13 Pro you can go ultra wide while we are making the videos, but Xiaomi 13 we cannot. We need to turn off and start to record again. Now both of them, wide camera, stabilization is really good. Let's show some product details. The quality is really good. Let's please leave it in the comment. What do you think about these cameras, guys? What do you think about this model? Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like my content, and if you want to know more about this model, I also want to know your opinion, what kind of tests I should do. And don't forget, we will have more content today. I will probably make a video about the newest Xiaomi Watch S2, and I am not sure if they will allow or not, but I will try to ask if they let me take Xiaomi 13 Pro outside to make a comparison with iPhone 14 Pro. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want more content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.